Luke 6. Sabat Day Oga God. Jesus dey waka pass where dem plant corn put, and im disciples come pluck some corn dey chop. Some of the Pharisee people come say, "Why una dey do wetin our law talk say make we not do for Sabbath day?" Jesus answer dem, "Una never read wetin David do when him and him men dey hungry? He enter God house, come take the bread wey holy, wey only priests suppose chop, and him and him men chop am." So Jesus tell them, "Na man pikin be Sabat Day Oga God." Jesus heal hand wey don die. For another Sabbath day, Jesus enter the synagogue dey teach. One man wey him right hand don die dey there. The law teachers and the Pharisee people dey look Jesus with corner eye whether he go heal people for Sabbath day, so that dem go see wetin dem go take accuse am. But Jesus know wetin dem dey think, so he come tell the man wey him hand die, "Get up, make you come stand for here." So the man get up, go stand near am. Then Jesus ask them, "Which one dey right to do for Sabbath day? To do good or to do evil? To save life or to destroy life?" After Jesus look them round, he come tell the man, "Stretch your hand out." So the man stretch him hand, and the hand come well. But the Pharisee people and the law teachers come vex. They vex sotey dem no dey see road again. So they come begin ask theirself, wetin we could do this Jesus Christ? Jesus choose him 12 disciples. Jesus go mountain go pray, and he dey there dey pray to God till day break. When day break, Jesus call him disciples, come choose 12 among them wey he call apostles. Simon wey be Peter, and him brother Andrew, and James, John, Philip, Bartholomew, Matthew, Thomas, James, Alphaeus pikin, Simon wey be zealot, person wey dey fight for him country, Judas, James pikin, and Judas Iscariot wey later sell Jesus give him enemies. Jesus teach and heal. Then Jesus come down with him apostles, come stand for ground wey level. Many disciples from Judea, Jerusalem, and all the small towns wey near Tyre and Sidon gather come hear am dey preach, and he heal those wey no well, and others wey evil spirit dey worry. Everybody dey try to touch am because power wey dey comot from him body dey heal people. Then Jesus look him disciples, tell them, "Make una happy, una wey dey poor, because na una get God kingdom. Make una happy, una wey dey hungry, because una go belle full. Make una happy, una wey dey cry now, because una go laugh. Una wey people hate, reject, curse, and dey call bad people because of man pikin, God go bless una, and una go dey happy for that day. Make una happy well well, because the reward wey una go get for heaven go big well well." Na so their grandpapa dem talk about the prophet too. But curse dey una head, una wey get money well well now, because una don already get una reward. Curse dey una head, una wey don over belleful, because una go hungry. Curse dey una head, una wey dey laugh now, because una go cry well well. Curse dey una head, una wey people dey talk good things about, because na so their grandpapa dem talk about the fake prophets too. But I tell una wey dey listen, make una love una enemy and do good to people wey hate una. Make una bless those wey curse una and pray for those wey dey treat una anyhow. If anybody slap una for face, make una turn the other side give am too. If anybody use force collect una coat, make una give am una shirt join too. Make una give everybody wey ask una for something, and if anybody take wetin be una own, make una no ask for am back. Make una do for people as una want make dem do for una. If una love only the people wey love una, wetin go make God bless una? Even sinners sef love those wey love them. And if una do good for only those wey dey do good for una, wetin go make God bless una? Even sinners dey do the same thing too. If una borrow person money when una know say e go fit pay una back, wetin go make God bless una? Sinners sef dey borrow money give sinners, so that dem go pay dem back their correct money. But make una love una enemies, come do good, and make una no expect anything back when una borrow anybody something. Na this go make God pay una back, and una go be His children, because God Himself dey do good for wicked people and those wey no dey say thank you. So make una dey show mercy, just as una papa dey show mercy. No judge others. Make una no judge other people, so that God no go judge una. Make una no condemn others, so that God no go condemn una. Make una forgive others, and God go forgive una. Make una give people wey no get, and God go give una wetin really big. He go pack am well well, and the things go overfull. God go pour all these things for una life. But na as una take give others, na so God go take give una too. Jesus still tell them another parable. Person wey blind no fit show another blind person road. Abi go fit? No. If na so, dem two go fall inside gutter. No student go fit big pass him teacher, but when he don learn finish, e go be like him teacher. Why you dey look the small dirty wey dey your brother eye, but you no dey see the big wood wey dey your own eye? How you go take tell your brother say, brother, make I remove the dirty wey dey your eye, but you no dey see the wood wey dey your own eye? You wey dey pretend, make you first comot the wood for your eye, then you go see well to fit remove your brother own. Because better tree no dey bear bad fruit, and no bad tree dey bear good fruit. Because na fruit wey tree bear, na im people dey take know the kind tree wey e be. People no dey pluck fig or grape from shukushuku tree. When person dey good, na the good things wey dey inside am dey make am bear good fruits. But bad person, na the bad things wey dey inside am dey make am bear bad fruits. Because na from wetin full inside person mind, na im mouth dey talk. Why una dey call me Oga God, and una no dey do wetin I tell una? Anybody wey come meet me and lis ten to my word come do am, I go show una wetin the person be like. E be like man wey dey build house, wey dig ground, come lay the foundation on top strong rock. When big water rush come, e no go fit shake the house because dem build am for better rock. But the person wey hear my word and e no do am, e be like man wey build house wey no get strong foundation. When big water come, the house go fall, scatter,